Hey, bro, y'all got some aspirin or something?
Some what?
Some aspirin or something?
Aspirin. Take it every 46 hours for 1 week.
Oh, my fault, bro.
Why?
Room number my cousin today. What room number you?
Here right now. I can text you.
My fault, bro. Like you got like. Oh, my fault, bro. My fault, bro. It was just, bro. Hey, bro, chill, bro. Chill.
Oh, I just come on my shit, goddamn sneezing on me and shit.
It was
bro.
bad. My fault, bro.
That nigga just did it.
Go. Come on. Oh shit, go, nigga, go. Been messing up all day.
What?
Some aspirin or something. Yeah.
A few moments later.
It was just the water, my boy. It wasn't nothing too wet, bro. It's just the water.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Go, nigga, go. Oh, chill.
Where is this man SwaggyB at?
Man, what's on YouTube, man? It's your boy SwaggyB, man. And we back with another video, man. So look, I know y'all can see that I'm a little under the weather today, man. But that ain't stopping nothing, bro. So look, man, y'all see by that thought on that tongue there, what we got going on today. So look, make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and if you new, subscribe. Come on this side. Hey, bro, y'all got some aspirin or something?
Some what?
Some aspirin or something?
Aspirin. Aspirin, yeah.
Or like any like type like cold medicine? Could like,
Aspirin. Cold and sinus.
how you do? I can get some. Alright, hey. When he come back, we blasting his ass.
Take it every 46 hours for 1 week.
Oh, my fault, bro. You good, bro?
I just saw that camera.
Oh, my fault, bro. I ain't even just playing. It was a little whatever, though. I see you right there. I would ask you a question like, my allergy was kind of messed up and shit. I try to ask like, do you got like some aspirin or something? What you with the cook? You with a cookout?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh shit! My fault. Hold on. You said what? Somebody come to the door now. Hey.
I knew it was. What I said. What I
Hold
said?
on real quick. Y'all got some allergy medicine or something?
No.
You sure? Oh, sorry, like y'all ain't got no allergy. Y'all ain't got no allergy medicine. Y'all ain't got no allergy.
Get away, BJ.
Y'all ain't got no allergy medicine.
BJ, move.
Y'all ain't got no allergy medicine.
You better spray that shit on me no more.
Somebody coming. Hey, how you doing? What up? Hey, you got like some allergy medicine or something?
Who?
Some allergy medicine? I can get some real quick. Yeah. Alright, bet. What kind you got? My fault, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. How you been, though, friend?
Go out the room when you do that.
I'm good. Let me cover it up.
What the fuck? You keep doing that.
I'm sorry. I appreciate it though. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all got like some allergy medicine or something? No, I don't. I ain't got like no type of. She said that bitch so hard, bro. That shit crazy. They was smiling already. They probably like they already knew how it was. Yeah.
On to the next clip. Somebody coming. Hey, how you doing? Hey, you got like some allergy, maybe some.
Are you serious? Do you know me?
I don't know. Somebody told me that somebody real pretty, so I ain't gonna lie.
But you said you need allergy stuff?
Yeah, or aspirin or anything.
Give me a second. I have.
How you doing?
Oh, so it's two of y'all. Okay. Okay, so I have Michael. I don't know.
I'm so sorry. I'm so bad.
My face.
I'm so sorry.
Here you go. Here, just. Wait, can you like back up? Can you back up? Can you back up? Sneeze it all on me. Here. Just take it and get out, please. Please. When I see that spray bottle, why you trying to be funny?
I was just playing.
Get my stuff. You're not
I was
safe.
just playing. What's your name, man? Come on, that side. Come on, that side. Somebody, hey, come back. Hey, oh, my fault. Hey, bro, you got like some aspirin or something?
No,
God damn, I got it. Hell yeah.
why?
Oh. Hey, bro, y'all got like some aspirin or something, bro?
You said what?
Some aspirin or something?
Hell
Y'all don't?
no. Hey, one of them. Hey, one of them.
My fault, bro. My fault, bro. My fault, bro. Where did you get that shit, bro? I hope so. Damn. You feel me? We finna hurt you. Yeah, you can laugh. Alright, you ready? Damn. I don't think nobody coming. Hey, bro. Hey, you got some aspirin or something at your spot? Yeah, at your spot. Hey, wait, I forgot what room number my cousin said. What room number you?
You're not here right now. I can text him though.
My fault. My fault, bro.
I got the let me see if I got something.
Nigga said you good. What the fuck? Hey, I'ma sneeze on him again.
Yeah, all I got is some Motrin and some.
You do? You said what?
All I got is Motrin and a weed.
See, I'll take anything.
I need some Motrin. It's 6 weeks old. You can just take the rest of it.
My fault, bro. I appreciate you though. Yeah. I'm playing. Appreciate it though, bro. Oh snap, dog. That nigga said you're good. What the fuck? If somebody sneeze on me, bro, I'm not saying you're good. Oh no, for real though. Hey, excuse me, big dog. You got like some damn aspirin or something at your spot?
I ain't got shit on me, bro.
Yeah, cause like my eyes they fucking up and shit, so my fault, big dog. Yeah, you got no though? Oh, you talking about this? Huh?
Yeah, shit water, dog. Nigga toss you up and leave you there, literally.
Oh, don't be so obvious with it. Excuse me real quick. Hey, one of y'all, excuse me real quick. Hey, you got like some aspirin or something? Like any type of little cold medicine? One of y'all? Hey, none of y'all, any of y'all got some cold medicine? Huh? Yeah, you said what? Like anything, for real. Alright, bet. Where your spot at? Where your... Oh shit, my fault, bro. My fault, bro.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro.
Hey, I don't need it, bro. Hold on. What that conversation was? Yeah, I got you though. Go tell him I got you though. You feel me? I got him though. Yeah, you feel me? Go tell him hit that like button, comment, subscribe, man.
I gotta do that for my boy.
You feel me?
For sure.
Yeah,
Most
you did.
the big one.
You did. Yeah. Okay. Oh, alright.
You got like some aspirin or something. My allergy, this stuff. You shoot!
Damn!
Hey, get this dog.
What the fuck?
Nah, he gonna send a dog at my ass. Hey, what up, big dog? Hey, you got some aspirin or something? My nose been messing up all day.
What?
Some aspirin or something? Hey, it was just... yeah.
A few moments later.
It was just a little water, my boy. It wasn't nothing too wet, bro.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
What the fuck? Oh, hell nah.
Go. Oh, chill. Oh, shit.
You're not supposed to run, man.
Oh, you thought that nigga real for real?
I saw the dog come out and take that.
What the fuck, nigga? Oh, hell nah.
We rolling? Hey man, it's your boy SwaggyB, man. Hey, this is the last clip right here, man. If y'all enjoyed this video so far, make sure y'all give it a like. Make sure you comment. If you're new, subscribe, man. Let's get it. Hey, big dog, you got some tissue or something? Like, I mean, not some tissue. I need like some aspirin or something. Like, my allergies fucking up. Yeah. I'm sorry. Hey, my partner can come in real quick. Hey, partner, my homie with me too. If you don't mind. Yeah. Like, you got like.
Damn!
My fault, bro. Oh shit! My fault, bro. It was just, bro. Hey, bro, chill.
Oh, I just come on my shit, goddamn sneezing on me and shit.
It was bad. My fault, bro.
Nigga just did it.
Go. Come on. Oh shit, go, nigga, baby.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.